Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best acrylic pouring paint is probably one of the most exciting and accessible art forms out there, allowing anyone to create mesmerizing abstract art with vibrant colors and unique patterns. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of acrylic pouring paint, exploring the best options available, and helping you choose the perfect paints to bring your artistic visions to life. Get ready to unleash your creativity and discover the magic of fluid art. Number 5. GenCrafts Metallic Acrylic Pouring Paint 12 Colors. Tired of mixing paints? These pre-mixed acrylic paints are ready to go. Just open the bottle and start pouring, letting your creativity flow effortlessly. With 12 unique metallic colors, this paint is designed for techniques like tilting and swiping. You can achieve amazing cell formations and color movements with every stroke. Add a touch of shimmer to your art. The metallic finish catches the light, bringing a sophisticated sparkle to any piece you create with it. This all-purpose paint works on many surfaces. Whether it's paper, canvas, glass, or wood, you can transform any surface into a masterpiece. This paint meets strict standards, making it safe for artists of all levels. Enjoy creating with confidence, knowing it's suitable for everyone. What we like? This paint is pre-mixed, so you can start creating right away. The metallic finish adds a luxurious shimmer to your artwork. If you are looking for a paint that's easy to use and gives a stunning effect, you should consider this one. What people say? They are easy to use and a little goes a long way. It doesn't smell, it has vibrant color, it flows perfectly. Great flow, coverage, and sheen. Number 4. Arteza Acrylic Pouring Paint Set of 32. This high-flow paint is pre-mixed, so you don't need to prepare anything. It has the perfect ratio of pouring medium already mixed in. Just open it and start creating. The set includes 32 vibrant colors, from metallics to neons and pastels. You'll have a wide range of colors to choose from when creating your fluid art with it. It also comes with 4 bottles of titanium white and 2 of Mars black. This allows you to mix light and dark shades of every color, expanding your creative possibilities. Arteza is passionate about creating products that inspire. They believe art is an expression of the human experience. That's why they make their art supplies accessible to everyone. Arteza provides quality painting, drawing, and art supplies for all ages and skill levels. You can find tons of accessories, paint sets, drawing supplies, and more for all your artistic needs. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of colors, including metallics and neons. It also includes white and black, allowing for a wider range of shades. If you like having a lot of color options and want to experiment with different shades, you should consider this set. What people say? He created a beautiful piece first shot. Mine too many color choices, so I put too many colors, way too much paint. There's a ton of interesting and vibrant colors, including neon and metallic colors to mix and match. This paint was amazing, just poured in cup and created beautiful flow art on canvas. It comes pre-mixed and the perfect consistency with no clumps. Number 3. Pouring Masters 24 Karat Gold Acrylic Pouring Paint. This premium, pre-mixed paint is perfect for acrylic pouring. It's ready to use right out of the bottle, making it easy to create stunning art. The paint's viscosity is ideal for creating exceptional cells and color movement. You can achieve amazing effects with ease. For further customization, add Pouring Masters silicone oil or pouring medium. This allows you to adjust the viscosity and create even more intricate cells. Choose from 84 vibrant colors, ready to go straight into your mix cup. They are perfectly formulated for various techniques. The paint is pre-mixed to a honey-like consistency, ensuring consistent flow. This allows each color to blend beautifully when tilting the canvas. This paint is great for dirty pour, flip cup, Dutch pours, and more. Explore your creativity and discover new techniques with this versatile paint. What we like? This paint is designed to create exceptional cells and color movement. The consistency is perfect for various pouring techniques. If you are looking for a paint that delivers flawless cells and effects, you should consider this one. What people say? Great quality paints, arrives on time, sealed well. Good value for the size bottle. Works great. It dries brilliant. Good for varied pours. Number 2. Pouring Masters 32-ounce Titanium White Acrylic Paint. Introducing Pouring Masters Ready-to-Pour Acrylic Paint. This paint is pre-mixed and ready to use straight out of the bottle. It's perfect for creating stunning art with ease. The paint's viscosity is ideal for acrylic pouring, allowing for exceptional cells and color movement. You can also add silicone oil or pouring medium to adjust the flow and create even more intricate effects. It can be used with other pouring acrylic mediums to deliver flawless and effortless cells and effects. With 84 dynamic colors to choose from, it's ready to go straight into your mix cup. The paint is pre-mixed to the consistency of honey, ensuring a consistent flow. This allows each color to flow over and with each other when tilting the canvas, guaranteeing the success of your artwork. This paint is great for various techniques, including dirty pour, flip cup, Dutch pours, and tree ring pours. Explore your creativity and invent new techniques as you learn the art of acrylic pouring with it. What we like. This paint is designed to create exceptional cells and color movement. The consistency is perfect for various pouring techniques. If you are looking for a paint that delivers flawless cells and effects, you should consider this one. What people say. This titanium white paint is perfect for acrylic pouring. It has great consistency right out of the bottle and blends beautifully with other colors. The coverage is excellent, and it dries with a lovely finish. The shade is perfect both as a background and as a premier mixing and solitary color for paintings. Very thick but good color. Worked perfect with paint stamps. Number 1. Nicpro Titanium White Acrylic Pour Paint Kit. This kit includes everything you need to start pouring. It comes with pre-mixed titanium white pour paint, silicone oil, and gloves. It's perfect for creating stunning art with ease. The included silicone oil helps you achieve beautiful cell effects. Simply mix it with the paint and watch the magic happen. The instructions will guide you through the process. Nicpro Pour Paint is formulated to flow easily. You don't need to add any mediums or additives. This makes it simple to create unique and layered paint pours right away. The paint conforms to professional art standards and is safe for everyone. The silicone oil is also non-toxic and odorless. You can create art with peace of mind. We are confident that you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement. Order today and start creating. What we like. This paint comes with silicone oil to create cells. It's ready to pour and easy to use, perfect for beginners. If you are new to acrylic pouring and want a safe and easy to use kit, you should consider this one. What people say. This 32-ounce pre-mixed pouring paint is a true gem, offering a deep and intense black color that adds drama and depth to my artwork. I love the consistency of this pouring paint. It flows effortlessly and creates beautiful smooth lines and intriguing patterns. The pre-mixed nature of the paint saves me time and allows me to focus on my creative process rather than mixing individual colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.